Good morning, traders. In the past week, we saw Nifty extending gains and adding more than 100 points to close the week at 8381. Though in later trading sessions of the week, profit booking was seen. Global markets are slipping over as investors are jittery over the Greek debt repayment plans. Still, investors are not confident as they are looking ahead for the Euro meeting outcome, in which Greek Prime Minister has called for a referendum on July 5th to decide on the bailouts. On Friday, Nifty closed at 8381 levels, 1.9% up from previous week. Among major indices, BankX, Pharma, Infra, and small caps and mid caps were the major leading indices. In the coming week, we see resistance in the Nifty index at 8450 levels, and sell on rise strategy should be followed with downside levels at 8230 and 8130, provided it breaks level of 8325. In sectorial news, BankX was up 2.8% at 18371 as government plans to infuse 11,000 crores in PSU banks in addition to 7940 crores already allotted in budget. Bank Nifty has crucial support at 1815 level. If breached, will see support at 17,500 levels. Though if it sustains the level of 18,350, it may stretch rally to 18,750 on the upside. Realty sector closed at 183.85 levels, 6.5% up as Prime Minister officially announced smart city projects which would give a push to auto and cement sector also, as well as providing a good push to the economy. Pharma stocks were an upswing as most of the companies received US approvals and for their respective generic medicines. The market kicked off the July expiry though with a fewer rollover as investors will be waiting for revised IMD monsoon figures along with the quarterly earnings. In stock-specific counters and cash, we recommend MBL Infra to buy at the current levels of 514 for upside target of 550 and 590 with strict stop loss at 490 levels. In futures, we have Supla futures at 623 levels for a target of 650 and 665 with stop loss at 605. That's all for today. Thank you.